Hey guys, my name's Tyler Smith here with MarineMax Texas MasterCraft, bringing you a piece of new inventory. This is one of our premier pontoons. This is a 230 Intrigue. This is a 2023 model. You can see we've done a beautiful colorway on the outside of this boat. This boat is here at MarineMax. We're going to be your one-stop shop for all your boating needs. We've got a great pro shop, an awesome finance office that's going to set you up with insurance and everything, and then a great service department to take care of you on the back end, give you that peace of mind out there on the water. Let's take a step inside and take a look at some of the features. All right guys, as we step inside of this boat, first of all on the back you can see we do have our 300 Merc. This is going to be more than enough for everything that you guys need to go out there. We have our ski tow bar as well as our safety chains on the back so you can keep everybody contained when you're out there. We do have our folding lounger right here. This is going to be able to swing both ways. You're going to be able to lay out fully. You can face the front of the boat or you can face back whenever you guys are hanging out. And there are cup holders everywhere on this boat. We've also optioned this boat with the dual helm chairs. This makes it really nice for your passenger, kind of feel like they're included in the driving experience. On the helm, we do have our large Simrad in the center. We have our wireless charging controls on the dash. They've done a really good job with this, with the raised helm so that you guys are able to see over everybody when you're parking the boat, and digital throttle and shift as well. Finally, as we step forward to the front of the boat, we do have our removable center seat right here. This makes it so that you guys can have a full lounge up here with these really comfortable seats with fold down armrests, or you can take this out of the boat and have access to the front of the boat. Again, this is a premier 230 Intrigue here at MarineMax Texas MasterCraft. My name's Tyler Smith. Give me a call and we can get you squared away.